Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my new video. Today I will be making a wedding card using Tomorrow paper collection from Lemoncraft. This is a very dear collection to me. I love the colors of it. I love the style. It's like a boho style, and the card will be in that style as well. So the papers have a lot of elements which you can fussy cut, and I'm going to use those elements today in my composition. Off the camera, I already attached 2 layers to my card base. The card base is 21 by 10.5 centimeter, and then the first layer is half centimeter smaller than the base, and the second layer is 1 centimeter smaller than the first layer. I hope this makes sense. Between the layers, I have adhered a piece of fabric. It's a net fabric, so you can see through it. I thought it will add nice, interesting texture to my card. So this is done, and now I will be creating the composition. The elements I'm using, the images are from the 6 by 12 inch pad, which has the same name as the collection Tomorrow. You will find in it a lot of images, sentiments, and elements that you can cut out with the scissors and use on your projects. Apart of that, I have some die cut leaves, smaller and bigger leaves. Some of them are from Lady Design dies. I also used very old Prima dies, and I don't remember the name of the company for the fern, but I will provide the links below the video. Sometimes I use very old dies, especially dies which I purchased years ago, and maybe they're not available anymore. So if you're looking for something and there is no link to it, you can ask me in the comment, and then maybe I will give you the name of the product, because I used to was very good with sorting out the stuff I have, and I always had the names of the products written in the containers or boxes I keep them on, but recently in my studio is such a mess. So anyway, if I will have the name, I will give it to you. If not, then I'm sure you can find something similar. To finish off the composition, I'm going to add a sentiment and few gems. I have some in neutral brown color and light green color. And this will be almost it. I'm going to also add a much darker ribbon because I wanted something to give a bit of contrast to my project. And then of course I'm going to add white acrylic paint splats. Of course, if you don't like to have a paint on your project, skip that step. But if the person who ordered the card from me doesn't mind, I'm always adding paint splats. I just like the idea, and I like how it finish and kind of blend everything together. So this will be it for today. It's not a long video, especially that I skipped the adhering paper part, but I hope I can still inspire you with that lovely card. I want to thank you very, very much for coming back to my channel, for watching my videos, for commenting. It means a lot to me. I don't have videos as often as I used to have, but I still try my best to give you some inspirations. So this will be it. Thank you very much. Have a lovely creative weekend. Bye bye.